Your channel? This isn't your channel.
Yeah.
Because you come on here a few times, you think it's your channel now. All right, show everybody what you got on the channel. On your channel. No, what you got.
What'd you get, Faith?
Show them. What? You got your own four-wheeler? It's got a little mud. That's what four-wheelers are for. What is it? It's a Kawasaki Brute Force 750 twin. Yes. It's got 12-volt battery power. Is it fun? It's fun. It's power wheels. It's got like headlights and a rack and everything. Yeah. Probably could after the video. All right, show them what Samuel's working on. Working on putting a belt on the Polaris. All right, show them what I got. No, another Honda Rancher. It's almost the same as the other one, right, Faith? Only a little bit older. Look at, we got grippy tires on there. We got a little bit different front end, but we got to do electric shift and everything. It's got that thing. We got to put a new carburetor on. We already put a battery in. So once we get the parts in for it, we can do a video update on it. So it actually is run off of gas. Yep, it's four-wheel drive. All right, let's go back to Samuel. All right, how to change a belt on your 2000 Polaris Sportsman 500. It's basically the same on every Sportsman from 97 to 08, I think. So yeah, it's pretty easy. You know, it might take a few minutes. You got to pull off the running board, and you just pull your belt cover off, and you're done. That's it. You don't even have to replace your belt. You just pull the cover off. Simple as that. Alright, after you pull your running board off, pull off the bolts around your belt housing, cut your zip ties for your air intake, and pull the cover off. Simple as that. It's real easy to do, clearly. Don't forget to pull all the bolts off. And then you just wiggle it around, shimmy shack it. There, just like that. And then there's your belts. You got 6 belts in there you got to change, so 5 clutches. You just simply pop them off. It's a real easy task to do, as easy as can be. Belt's bad, you can just cut it off, but if it's not really bad, you can just pop it off real simply like. Just hit that piece of cake. Then you get your new one.
Go inside.
You go inside because you always forget your parts. What you doing, Faith? Playing with some sand? Making a mess in the shop? How's it work? Does it work good? I think we need some more sand in there. We already showed them your four-wheeler.
Oh, we didn't show, but this and then
else you got there? Okay. Lots of things on there. You got the cargo box. Got a seat. Should we put the seat on so we can show them how to ride it? So you can throw your seat on like that. Hop on. And you just push your pedal and go. Is it working? Oh, you gotta put it in gear. Is it in gear? There you go. Just like that. We'll have to show them in the daytime when you can go outside. Got your cargo boxes and everything. Got a tape measure. That's nice. It's nice to have. Yeah. You gotta measure them. At least you got your own four-wheeler now. You don't have to use mine. I know you were always like taking mine for a ride. He's back. He's got his beltless. It's like a necklace but with a belt. Works on all sizes.
Fits most.
And you never want to check it with your old belt, you just want to throw it right on there. Always flip it inside out, put it on first. Okay, don't forget which side is out. Yeah, looks the same. That's good. Slap it on there. Just give it a few twists of the turner.
Need some help, Faith.
Kind of busy, Faith. What you doing? There you go. Fun part. Like I said, it's real easy to do. Yeah, it's easy. It's super easy. Are you gonna be a good videoer? Here. Don't put your fingers in the way though, okay? Make sure you get the good shots. It's not in his way. There you go. Okay, you gotta keep it. You gotta keep your fingers out of the camera. There. Put it like that. Tight. There you go. Show them.
It's in here, Faith. There you go.
Looks good. You want to do a selfie now? Selfie style? Oh yeah, that's
Show the coolant.
Alright.
Yep, that's how oil filter.
Don't put your thumb over there.
We got the belt in. Faith showed you.
You gotta show them. Not just you.
Turn around. Hold this up. Say, behind me, I did the belt.
Alright.
You can't hold it with one hand, you goofball. Your hands are tiny. We gotta put it back together.
Yep. And then you just repeat processes 1 through 100 and it'll be back together.
And 1 to 100 times.
Yeah. Usually on the more of the side of 100 rather than 1 minute, but you know, it is what it is. So, and then you just hope that it works because it's not a Honda, so it probably won't work, but you know, that's why I got the Honda. I just got that to sell though. Still got the cow stuff.
Runs,
I mean, yeah, watch. I can fire it right up. Okay, you turn your key on. You pull your choke. Oh yeah, it's running. far. Yeah, it didn't run like that before. It'll only run for a second. But anyways, like I said, Honda is better than everything else. That's why I have a Kawasaki. But anyhow, back to the Polaris. Just like that, it's all back together and ready to ride. So you hop on it, start it like your Honda. Starts right up, back it out. Got your bright light bar. You go and warm it up a little bit. What's up, guys? Today we're out here working on the Honda Rancher. Got a bunch of new parts here: air filter, shift angle sensor, carburetor, and a seat cover. So gonna be installing all that stuff, and most of it will be time lapse, but yeah, stay tuned. Alright, got the new carburetor in there. It's running pretty good. Just gotta put the air filter on and a few other things. Pretty much be ready to go. Burn off some of the oil. This thing's been sitting a while. Alright, take it for a spin. It's fun. Yeah, show everybody. They want to see it. Push your pedal. Show them how it works. Okay, drive it over there.
Or you can.
No, you can. I can't fit. Go. Because it's fun.
I can fit on it.
No, you can go.
Well, Sammy can fit on it.
No, you can't. You can. It's for you.
Just drive it, Dave.
Yeah, it's fun. Go. We're running out of video time.
Go. I'll follow you. Go. Oh yeah, already getting it. Keep going. Do a circle. Go all the way around. Go all the way around. Stay on it. Go all the way around. Yeah, I'll follow you. I want to watch you. Go. Oh, yeah. Burn out. Oh yeah. Leave it crack. Go again. Go again. Go again. Hey. No, hold on. Here. No. Go. Go, go, go. Pedal. Go. Run over Dwayne. Run Dwayne over. No.
Park it.
All right. Keep going
Good
in.
job. That's good.